Welcome to Oraanj Interior Designs, where your dream home becomes a reality. Are you looking to transform your living space? Whether it's a cozy apartment or a spacious house, our expert interior designers are here to help.
Our design process is tailored to understand your needs, preferences, and lifestyle.
From concept to completion, we ensure every detail is perfect. Our designers work closely with you, from the initial consultation to the final touches, making sure your vision comes to life. Oraanj Interiors offers a wide range of services, including space planning, furniture selection, color consultation, and more. No project is too big or too small for our dedicated team. Ready to transform your home? Contact us today for a consultation and take the first step towards your dream space. Follow us on social media to see more of our work and get inspired. Oraanj Interiors, bringing dreams to life.